Hanap mo ba ay property na no down payment at no equity? 10,000 lang ang ilalabas mo at mapapasa inyo na ang duplex townhouse na ito. Located at Barangay Muson, Naik, Cavite. For more details and sample computation, please contact us at susi.ph. And for that, ako mismo ang mag-assist sa inyo from site tripping, reservation, hanggang sa ma-turnover ang unit na to. And once again, this is JC Ryan, your real estate agent of susi.ph. A key to your dream home.